Hola bafethu kunjani? Into zabantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nani niyazi bafethu ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani Kamo Remington Focus Wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. We are back with another one.
Yeah.
Phekwabo.
Hayi size nenye. Today's episode sikhuluma okay, basically it's the review of the midweek PSL games.
Yeah, interesting.
The interesting ones. Because there's been some changes there at the top, even at the bottom. Because now we have Siwelele, it's the one that is right at the bottom.
Bawela.
Yeah. Firstly, let's start with the game that played on Tuesday. Pirates against Siwelele. What do you make of the game?
Yeah, I think for me.
Did you watch the game though? Because it's important. I don't want you to mislead people. Did you watch the game?
Yeah, I did watch the game.
Okay. Not on the highlight.
No, I did watch the game.
Yeah.
I want to touch on Sweden a bit. I think remember we talked about them that after their chairperson made that statement. I think they went to that game with a different mindset. They've tried, even though they were not a threat, but I think they were like a team that didn't want to concede. A draw would take type of thing. Yeah, but it was gonna do them good. They wanted a draw, according to me, what I've seen.
But first half they had good chances.
Yes, but they were not a threat. Bona vele kade bafuna draw, but even now scoring inconsistent together. But Pirates, what I like is into ibonile. Hey, leza masayifuna igoli ziyalifuna. Abanye Pirates masayifuna igoli uyazona ukuthi they are coming. But I think I want to touch on this. Just I called my last week. The issue of introducing Umabasa. We talked about it. With Umabasa, it's fine. He's scoring goals, but he's been doing fine coming from the bench.
Yeah.
And then coach decided to change and start Umahop. Instead of starting started Mahop.
No, it
started Umabasa instead of Mahop.
Yes.
And we were saying Mahopa is fine because he can play, he can hold the ball, And then he did the opposite, and then it didn't work, obviously, because he won the game from benching with the subs and then the subs.
Yeah, that seems to be a norm now.
Yeah. And the more it constantly happened, every team will get used to it and be like, okay, we know they're gonna put Apolis. We must focus. But but Apolis, we talked about him either way in the Bafana Bafana, which has been a good player, and Abantu, I don't know, man. I don't know whether he's jealous or what, but that guy, I feel like he's giving it all, my Pirates.
Yeah.
He's giving it all.
True.
So I think
every game he plays, in fact.
Yes.
He just gives all.
Yes.
Yeah.
So whether he's coming from the bench or he starts, I feel like it won't make any difference. If it was Opanishek, it was Opanishek.
And he started the game against Super United.
Yes,
that was the impactful player.
Yeah.
Even there. Yeah, I think for me, it's not ideal to win the games late.
Yeah.
You would want to punish the team, especially if you playing the so-called smaller teams. You want to punish them.
You need to make sure,
because this thing of saying that we wait for our subs to come in. Sometimes they will come in and we're 2-0 down already. You're putting pressure.
Already you're losing. So that's too much pressure.
True.
So, but what I like about it, when they fight goal ball full. You see, these players, they show up, man. They play for the patch.
It shows the squad depth as a whole. Because right now, as we were saying, we are winning a lot of games from the bench.
Yes.
It shows a squad.
And not to say they are bad.
Yes.
No.
Yes. True.
So no.
Yeah, overall, it wasn't a good game for Pirates, to be honest.
They could do better.
Yes. Even the players, the regular players that we used to have good performances from them, like your Ndulis, your Batas, they were not in the game, to be honest. They were losing easily. I'm a baller, but I was doing what Bata used to do last year, and we were not happy with that. Yeah, but the coach, yeah, man, he is a reactional coach. Not bad to say that in a bad way. Kota is a reactional coach in a way that he reads the game
Yeah,
and acts upon the game.
yeah.
Yes, it works for now, but yeah,
Now,
maybe
eventually, it will
maybe
work
we
for
should
them.
start to kill the games early.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So we
yeah,
ask to move in value, whatever who's on father. It's either you wanna protect or you wanna score more.
exactly, exactly. Yeah.
But oh yeah, you
Um,
coming alright, huh? You coming alright.
I'm not in rush. I'm not in rush. That's all I can
Nah,
say.
but you coming
I'm
alright.
humble. I'm not in rush. I'm just
Some
focusing on myself.
Omnis cheated me and said he's happy that the league is eventually going to Soweto. But we just need to decide whereabouts in Soweto.
Hey, that's a very good comment, eh?
Yo. So
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
man.
Talking about the league, let's move on to the first game that played yesterday.
Yeah.
It was a holiday in South Africa. Uh, Shaga's Day, Heritage Day.
Heritage Day.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just got time to watch football. Sundowns, they got slept.
They were fed
They-
Uputu.
yeah, badly supported by Golden Arrows. 1-0. What do you make of the game?
I didn't watch that game because I think I was on the road. But,
Oh, ish.
no, I didn't watch that game. I'm being honest.
Yeah.
But I remember making a comment. I said to you, this Sundown is no longer the same Sundown. And I said to you, this coach won't finish the season.
Yeah.
And then I'm saying the same thing. This is not a Sundown that can be 9 games. Others
Okay,
are 7.
okay. Let me do a service for you.
Yeah.
Go back, you're coming with another one. No,
You
it's
watch the
fine.
game.
I watched the game. I watched
Talk to me.
almost all the games that played yesterday.
Talk to me.
The only game that I didn't watch is the Sukukuna one. It's because it was clashing with the Steelers one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that game. To be honest, Arrows 1-0. It's not a first goal. They should have scored more.
So they were
Yeah,
they
they
were
got
in
excited.
control.
I think they got excited that they were able to match Sundowns that much. Yes, Sundowns, they would dominate with the ball possession as usual,
Yeah.
but they were not headful.
No
That's
clear
one.
cut chances.
Yes, and these guys on transition or counter attack for that match, they were so good. There's that guy who abambiza Ndlovu. After the game, I think it was his 50th game. He played so well. It's just that nje decision making sometimes lets him down, but
Yeah.
he's able to eliminate. You know, even the striker that scored that goal. First half, they had so many chances.
Undlovu is that guy who Adams.
Adams, who?
Adams is sometimes.
No. He's playing as a second striker. That guy.
Yeah, quite there's a clip I saw. Okay, but yeah, continue.
Oh, okay, I see.
Mm.
We said that, but they dropped to Adams. Second half,
Yes.
they introduced the new signing, lo abamthenga ngemali eHappy. By the way, the Happy, it's
going to
the
Soweto.
yeah the Happy. We think it's going to Soweto, given the results right now.
Might go to
Yeah,
Limpopo, but yeah.
yeah, we don't know. Uh,
Talk to me.
yeah, but J Sundowns overall didn't play well. Um,
They had all their key players.
yes,
Like your Mkwenas and all that.
yeah, they did. They had, I think, yeah, they had all of them. I didn't see Reyners, but they had all of them apart from Reyners.
So you mean Mangoba had a good plan.
Yeah, he had a
Like
good game plan.
game plan.
The way those guys, they are running. If they can run that way, I'm not sure how they get beaten by other average teams. if they can be able to put a performance like that.
So it's more like they should be consistent and
Yeah,
continue to
exactly.
perform the same way they perform
Exactly.
against Sundowns.
I think
Each and every game they should take it like they are playing
yeah, I
Sundowns.
think even against you in the second half
Yes.
at Mapida,
Yeah,
they played and they upped the game a bit from that performance.
Yeah.
So maybe we are looking into more of
No,
consistency
but
from
I
their side.
remember he had Umangoba early. So when the
Yeah,
season started, they said, "Give me time. These boys are young. They're gonna be
yeah.
a trouble."
Another
in PSL.
thing is the fact that they made a lot of signings.
Yeah.
So that also has to be taken into consideration. You know.
So he's cooking.
Yeah, he's cooking. I believe he's cooking. I believe so. Moving on to okay, it's
Sundowns.
he's saying Sundowns. The Steelers game. Steelers they played Devon City. It was a little draw. Did you watch that game?
Didn't watch. Obviously,
Hey,
didn't
my
watch.
co-host, yeah, it's not
No,
it's not doing
you know,
so
I'm a
well,
family
man.
man, so I was on the road.
That's not an excuse, man.
No,
We have to watch this football so that we
I'm
deliver
trying.
content for our viewers.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Yeah. So, yeah, that
But
game,
okay, continue.
that game, uh, I think I would say it was a balanced game, but I'm still worried about Durban City. For me, I'm worried about Durban City. Honestly speaking, I know that right now you would argue that they are doing well given the result that they've been getting.
Away, getting a point away.
But in terms of football they are playing, maybe I still have to see them even more. I'll try and
We need to
watch more of their
we need
games.
to see them live.
I'm not sure about that, but yeah, with for me, I still need. I'm not convinced. That's what I can say.
They just grind the result. They
Yeah.
don't even know how they win.
To be honest, I think if they were the team that we thought they were, they would have beaten Steelers easily. So yeah,
Now, airport,
Stellenbosch,
they'll take Stellenbosch. You're
yeah,
Stellenbosch. You
they still come with the same issues that they have. Uh, they haven't found a replacement for that position. Yeah, Adams. I still think that that's their main issue. I saw Kiba yesterday, he even got a yellow card. Yeah, is not the exact fit for that position. For me, I would even that's what I was my view on the game. In fact, I would even take Mkaba, play him 6, and take Mtiane, play him 8, and see what happens. Because Mtiane is more creative. Like
yeah.
he didn't have a very good game, but it's a decent game at the end of the day. Because that's what Mtiane does.
So do you see still is coming all right? So
Eventually, I am looking into that.
do you see them finishing in the top 8?
Yeah,
I don't. But yeah, it's a story for another day.
yeah. The last one is Kukune. Oh, I think we also have to touch on TS Galaxy, the Sukukune one. Just the rap on Sukukune. I didn't watch that because it was clashing with Staley's one. But the penalty they got is questionable. We saw the highlights, and Chipa was going away with that game. They were taking it away to Kabeja. What do you make of Sekukude? Or rather say, refereeing?
We've always touched on this thing. We've always touched on this thing. Our referees are not getting punished. They
But
just
Mina, I would say maybe how do they impact the league as a whole right
no.
now in terms of like the position? Because if these are the things that we talk about all the time and they don't get punished, how does it affect the league now?
Kakhulu,
The log nje.
Kakhulu, look, plus Kukuna manje, they are thinking they did well yesterday.
Mhm.
You see?
Yeah.
But that's not the true reflection in this morning. And imagine they managed to get a point on it.
Yeah. Even the Chiefs penalty, to be honest.
It was too soft.
It was too soft.
Yeah.
Honestly, you would argue because that guy, Ebola did touch here, but okay, eventually because he was
But who will, and
sleeping,
then
yes.
handball.
So handball, you where else could that
Kumele
hand
athi,
be?
enzeni njani? Kumele awe njani?
Yeah,
Uwa
yeah,
njani uma uwa?
yeah. To be honest with you, Jay, the refereeing mistakes
It's hand.
kill.
It's the ball to the hand, not the hand to the ball.
The problem is it's no longer natural because you are sleeping.
Yes.
How can it be a penalty? Because you don't have balance, you don't have control. It's not like it's deliberate. You know? Yeah. Your homies.
What a band.
They beat Amazulu 3-1 yesterday at Bombela.
TX Galaxy Chief is cooking, but you don't know ukuthi bakuka ngani ngoba that team it's so dedicated. I think those players at TX Galaxy, they are happy. They are well treated. Isaiah perform a link okay. Yo.
Another thing, maybe it works in CS Galaxy's favor that they are able to move players around into bigger teams. So now it's like an audition to play for.
Yes.
You
know, if I play for TX Galaxy,
Zohamba and get a proper. I wouldn't say a proper team, but a bigger team. You know.
So actually,
every
business model,
trained.
TX, it's working.
It's working. But I would like to mention one player, Mahlambi. That guy, yeah, I hope he doesn't just go after this season. Maybe plays for 2 seasons at TS. I just hope. I see him as a future striker, Sebafana. But he just needs time at smaller teams.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's not rush him based on the results because that's what we do sometimes. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Watch these videos, man. Even the older videos, because we prepare this with love, with passion, and we hope that you will reciprocate the same energy. Let me hand it over to my man, to say his last words.
Tell a friend,
closing.
tell a friend to tell a friend. Football Fusion is here. Just watch, like, subscribe, and share.